cards to my video has really helped me gain views. Now look at this. This is my other channel and I got these views through adding of cards. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave, Emesumi Francis. If today is your first time of coming across this face, please don't make it your last because you're gonna miss a lot. In fact, it shouldn't. Don't even try and make it your last. Okay, feels so good to have you here. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add cards to your video. Now, what do I mean by cards? Cards is these YouTube features that help you display a particular title or link on your video. Now, this is an example of cards. I know so many times we might be watching a video and you will just see a title of another video pop up at the very top of the video. And this video that is pop up, it could be a video title or a link. It is clickable. Once you click on it, to redirect you to that particular video. And this is one way to move traffic from one particular video to another video. I will be showing you how to do this.
So now guys, we are going to be doing these tutorials using our Chrome device. So you log into your Chrome app and it's going to, okay, it's already on my dashboard. Okay, my YouTube studio is already on my dashboard. So for those of you that don't know how to do it, you're going to type studio.youtube.com. And here we are. So it's going to display like this. You're going to click on this second stuff over here. Yeah, these videos. Okay, you click on it and it's going to redirect you to your videos. So I have practically just 3 videos on this my channel. Okay, I just want to make this tutorial using this very particular channel. All right, so what you're going to do, you will click on the title of the video and it redirects you just the way we made a tutorial on how to add an end screen. I don't know which video is going to come up first. This might come up first or the end screen on might come up first. So you look at this place here where you see cards. You click on the pencil sign. Most people don't know how to time this. Some people add their cards and their cards is right at the beginning of their video. That's because they don't really know how to add this. Now, if you want these cards to reflect at the middle of your video or at the end of the video, all you need to do is to click on the very parts you want these ads to reflect. Can you see the cards to reflect? Can you see if you want it to be at the end of the video, you click at the end part of the video. Now it has moved. Can we all see this? It has moved. Now when it's moved, okay, let's take it back to the middle of the video. You look over here at the top, you see different options here. There is video, there is playlist, there is channel, and there is link. Okay, now what this means is if you want a particular video to display, you just click on video. If you want your playlist to add as your cards, you just click on playlist. If you want your channel to be there, if you want a link, okay, any of your video link to be there, you click on link. But the best thing for us to use is video, okay, so they can see the video title. Now you click on the video. Now it's going to bring you where you have all your videos. All right, I have just 3 videos, so I'll just click on this my first video. All right, and look at it over here. Now the title of the video has appeared. Now what I'm going to do, just click on save, and that is it. The cards has been added now, and that is it. Now let's go to our YouTube app. Okay, this is our YouTube app. Okay, this is my other channel. I'm going to switch. Okay, now this is our YouTube app. Let's go to my channel, go to videos. Now this was the one we added cards, right? Let's click on it. Now let's check it out.
We have normal, we
So
have
now we are
cost. We're
here. We
going
are
to
going
click
to see
on
the cards
normal.
pop up right now.
Okay, now here it is.
Now this is our cards. It has popped up. Now let's do the experiment. Let's click on these cards and see if it's going to redirect us to the video. Let's click on the cards. Now look at it. We have the video here. It has brought us down here. And voila, that is it. So guys, that is how to add cards to your videos. And I hope these tutorials have been able to help someone out there. All right, do me well to subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always get notified when next we drop a new video. And I'll wait back to back good video content from this very channel. See you next time. Don't forget, this shouldn't be your last time of seeing this face. Bye bye.